4 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Путешествовать весело. Страница 149. English. Spotlight for homework. Traveling is fun. Page number 149. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 149. 149. Traveling is fun. Spotlight on Russia. We must do exercise number 1. Describe Natasha's photo. Which place do you like best? Why? Путешествовать весело. Опиши фотографии Наташи. Какое место тебе понравилось больше всего? Почему? Most people like traveling and visiting new places. Natasha often goes hiking with her classmates and teachers. Here are some pages from her diary. The 20th of August, 2005. Here we are, camping in the mountains in Siberia. It's cool and windy, but my new tent is nice and warm. Tomorrow we're going to visit a lake. The 13th of August, 2005. We walked to the lake today. It was wonderful. The water was cold and very clear, but we didn't see any fish. The 2nd of May, 2006. The Caucasus Mountains are like a fairy tale. There's so much to see here. It's May, but there's snow and lots of wild flowers. The 8th of May, 2006. We're at the seaside at last. The Black Sea is so beautiful. The water is blue and clear, but it's very cold. The answer. I like Caucasus Mountains because they're like a fairy tale. There's a lot of snow here, even in summer. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Do you like traveling? Say. Тебе нравится путешествовать? Расскажи. Where you traveled last? Who you traveled with? What you saw there? What you did there? What you liked best? The answer. Last time I traveled to Montenegro. All my family traveled by the car through all Europe. I saw a lot of different countries. When we came to Montenegro, we had a lot of fun swimming and sunbathing. We saw mountains that were so high as they could be. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.